Here's one that's not gonna last long. A 2013 fully loaded EXL with rear DVD. One owner, yes, one owner, from Courtesy Honda with all the Courtesy Honda service records. This thing's perfect, guys. And we got it Conover location. I'll give you a slow pan around it. I would say above average condition for an 11-year-old car. Towing package, backup camera, rear power hatch, roof rack, brand new Bridgestone tires all the way around. Did I tell you one owner with all the Courtesy Honda service records, rear DVD? Look at this thing. CARFAX says one owners typically bring 10% more money. Well, not here at the Trading Post. A super clean, super new. Look at your leather. There's your rear DVD in the back. Third row seating. I mean, it's just clean. All your hookups, rear heating and air conditioning, heated leather seats. Conover location, 828-464-0600. We do all of our financing right here. Good credit, bad credit, no credit at all. No problem at the Trading Post. We can get you approved. Check out my website, tradingpostcars.com to apply. Click Get Approved Now. Put in your down payment information. We'll go to work for you. Family owned and operated, 45 years in the business by my family. Great people, awesome prices. A 2013 like new Honda Pilot EXL here at the Trading Post. You're going to love it here. And I promise you're going to love our Honda Pilot. But it's not going to last long. 828-464-0600. TradingPostCars.com.